Hi, my name is Muhammad Azim bin Mat Isa. My matrix number is 09 DKM2F 2058. I'm from class DKM2A. Differentiation is the pace at which one quantity changes in relation to another. The rate of change of distance with function of time is used to calculate speed. This speed at each instant differs from the estimated average. The slope, which is nothing more than the instantaneous rate of the change of the distance over time, is the same as speed. Differentiation is the ratio of a slight change in one quantity to a little change in another quantity that is dependent on the first. The differentiation of a function is one of the most important ideas in calculus. Differentiation determines the maximum or minimum value of a function, the velocity and the acceleration of moving objects, and the tangent of a curve. If the function y equals f of x is differentiable, the differentiation is written as f prime of x or dy by dx. Differentiation is a technique that can be used to investigate how the functions change. Poor navigation at sea was one of the most serious problems in Isaac Newton's day. Shipwrecks happened when the captain's ship was not where he expected it to be. There was a lack of knowledge about how the Earth, stars, and planets move in relation to one another. Calculus was invented to help with this. Differentiation and integration can assist us in resolving a variety of real-world problems. Differentiation is used to calculate the maximum and lowest values of various functions. For example, cost, strength, amount of material used in a building, profit and loss. Many engineering and science problems require differentiation, particularly when modeling the behavior of moving objects.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Zikri bin Hasni from class DKM2A. My matrix number is 09 DKM20F 2004. Hi, I will explain to you how to do application of differentiation. Okay, this is the question. Find the coordinates of the stationary points on the curve y equals to x squared minus x minus 6 and determine their nature. Then sketch the graph. The first step, we will determine the stationary point. So the equation is y equal to x squared minus x minus 6. We will differentiate the equation y equal to x squared minus x minus 6. Okay, the x squared will be 2x, negative x will be negative 1, and negative 6 will be 0. Then the stationary point dy over dx is 0. 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Then 2x equals to 0. Lastly, x equals to 1 over 2. Then we will substitute the x, y equal to x squared minus x minus 6. We will substitute the x to 1 over 2. Then it will be 1 over 2 squared minus 1 over 2 minus 6, which will get 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2 minus 6. And lastly, we will get negative 24 over 4. So the stationary point is 1 over 2 minus 25 over 4. So into the next step. The second step is determine the nature of the stationary point. This is equation from the previous solution. dy over dx equals to 2x minus 1. We will differentiate it again for the second time, which will get 2x will be 2 and negative 1 will be 0. So the second differentiate is d squared y over dx squared equals to 2. So 2 is bigger than 0. So 0.1 over 2 minus 25 over 4 is a minimum point. That's all from me. We will go to Diana for the sketch graph.
Hi, my name is Diana binti Nafrizal. My number metric is 09DKM20F2014. Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Diana binti Nafrizal. My number metric is 09DKM20F2014. To plotting the graph, we need to determine the y-intercept when x equal to 0. So from the equation, we just substitute the place of x equal to 0 and we will get negative 6. So at y-intercept, the coordinate was 0 and negative 6. To determine the x-intercept when y equal to 0, just do it like the same one for y-intercept. Just substitute the place of y equal to 0 and we will get 2 point of x, which is negative 2 and 3. So x-intercept was negative 2, 0 and the other one was 3 and 0. So from the data that we get, we can plot the graph and just do it like I do in the slide. So, conclusion. In a nutshell, differentiation equations have a remarkable ability to predict the world around us. They are used in a wide variety of disciplines from biology, economics, physics, chemistry, and engineering. A differentiation equation is one which is written in the form dy over dx equal to, and sum of this can be solved to get y equal to 1. So differentiation is used to find change of one thing with respect to other. For the conclusion, differentiation is used in almost everything that we do in our daily life. That's all from me. Thank you.
So hello all, my name is Kisha Vijay and I'm from DKM2A. My metric number is 09DKM20F2063.
Question and answer. Question 1. A stone is dropped into a pond. The ripples forming concentric circle which expand. At what rate of one of these circles increasing when the radius is 4 meter and increasing at the rate of 0.5 meter per second? So, the area of a circle radius r is a equals to pi r per square. dA over dr equals to 2 pi r. dA over dt equals to dA over dr times with dr over dt. It will be 2 pi r times with 0.5. Okay, when r equals to 4, pi r will be replaced by 4 equals to 12.56 meter per square as negative 1. And yeah, that's it for this question. Question 2. A spherical air bubbles is formed at the pond. When the bubbles move to the surface of water, it expands. If the radius of the bubble is increasing when its radius is 1.5 centimeter. V equals to 4 over 3 pi r per square. So dV over dr equals to 4 pi r per square. So dV over dt equals to dV over dr times with dr over dt equals to 4 pi r equals square times with 0.04. The upside one is chair rule And this one is dr over dt is known as rate of increase of radius. To 4 pi 1.5 per square times 0.04 is equals to 0.36 pi centimeter to 5 negative 1. That's it.